Healthcare entrepreneurs, what does streamlining your operations mean to you? My name is Amit Gaglani, and I'm a healthcare entrepreneur. And I've had the success and fortune of selling my healthcare company twice. And now my mission and goal is to help you, the healthcare entrepreneur, put systems into your practice to create the practice of your dreams. Why is streamlining your business operations absolutely essential in this market? Well, when we take a look at our reimbursement and we take a look at our expenses, especially the cost of our staff, that continues to rise where our reimbursement doesn't continue to rise. And we've all seen the cuts that Medicare proposes and what they negotiate down to, but it's still a cut nevertheless. We don't see the typical increases in our reimbursement from year to year. Therefore, our margins tend to shrink from year to year. So if our operations are not efficient and they're not streamlined, we're going to be losing money every single year. Here are several things that private practice can do to improve and streamline their operations. Start to standardize your procedures with your staff members. First, take an audit of what daily tasks they are doing, as well as the daily tasks that you are doing that's taking up a lot of time. Look for inefficiencies, look for bottlenecks, and look for opportunities to standardize all those steps. Look for opportunities in your practice to standardize procedures. Audit what you're doing on a daily basis, audit what your staff members are doing on a daily basis, and try to standardize those processes. A classic example I will give you is the front desk. The front desk picks up the phone quite often, and a lot of times it's for new patients. So figure out the steps that they usually take, and take a look at your forms. Do the forms actually go in the same sequence as the information that you need? If they do not, then change your forms so that way it's standardized the process the front desk takes. I know in my practice, one of the things that I really wanted to know was, how are these patients finding out about us? I wanted to know whether they're coming from friends, whether they're coming from family, who referred them. So initially we would just ask, how did you hear about us? So that wasn't good enough. It didn't give us the actual why and the actual how did they come to find us. And over the years, as we kept auditing our processes, we kept improving it to really find out the proper answers. Look to automate certain aspects of your practice. There's automatic automations that occur behind the scenes from your EMR system sometimes, or third-party apps that will help patients to come into their appointments on time. They get a text message that's automated and they just see that it's coming up, so it helps to reduce those missed appointments. There's also billing automations that can help you to get paid faster on time. Having money in the bank is way better than sending out bills constantly. Optimizing your scheduling is another form of improving efficiency in your practice. You can look at block scheduling, where you have certain blocks that are just meant for eval. You can do cluster booking, where the patient comes in, they see patients constantly that are there. Now, why would you want to do that? Why would you want a patient coming in and seeing that there's a lot of patients there? Because the idea is, if a patient comes in and the place is empty, the thought process is, well, these guys can't be doing really that great work because they're totally empty, as opposed to, that place is always packed. Patients are always there. They must be doing a good job. So try to improve your automation processes and your optimization processes by having this in place. Streamlining operations is not just about improving efficiency, it's about improving outcome to your patients. At the end of the day, we are doing this because we want to serve our patients. Reduce waiting times for our patients is one way that we are improving our operations. We're also improving our communication with patients. This allows us and our staff to spend more time helping our patients. So streamlining can help in a magnitude of ways to each practice. Customize your approach for long-term success. What works for one practice doesn't necessarily work for another practice. So understand your patients, understand your population, understand your goals and your mission, and apply it to your practice for long-term success. Healthcare entrepreneurs, I want you to have a tremendous amount of success. My name is Amit Gaglani. I'm the owner of AG Management Consulting Incorporated, and I am a private practice physical therapist for over 25 years, and I've had tremendous success from personalized coaching that I have received, and I want to be able to pass it forward and help you guys out there. Follow us, subscribe to us in our different social media channels, or reach out to us at our website, and let's get a conversation going.